In this video, I'll show you how to get your travel history as a U.S. citizen. First, it is important to know that U.S. citizens do not have I-94 arrival and departure records. That system is only for non-citizens. So here are the correct ways to get your travel history as a citizen. The first way is to request your passport records from the U.S. Department of State. This is the most common method. You will need to submit a written request and include your full name, date of birth, place of birth, and a copy of your valid photo ID. A regular copy is free, but if you need a certified copy, it will cost you $50. The second way is to file a FOIA request, which stands for Freedom of Information Act request. You can submit this through the CBP FOIA portal online. This will give you the most official and detailed record of your border crossings. However, keep in mind that FOIA requests can take several months or even up to a year to process, so this is not a quick option. The third way is to reconstruct your travel history yourself using personal records. Check your current and expired passports for entry and exit stamps. You can also log into your frequent flyer accounts to find past flights. Another option is to search your email for old flight confirmations and e-tickets. You can also check your bank or credit card statements for international transactions to figure out the dates you were abroad. If you need your travel history for something specific, like a security clearance or job application, make sure you check the exact requirements for that specific purpose. That is how you do it.